Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with another video for you guys. So by name, for those who are new, I'm called Maureen, and if it's your first time to this channel, please subscribe and turn the notification post bell on, so anytime I post a video you get notified, you don't miss my videos. So guys, okay, today's video I just want to make a video while organizing my small kitchen. So before Mungu amefanya mambo hapa. So there's something I bought. I think I bought it on 10th July. Today is 13th. Yeah, I bought it on 10th July, but it was delivered yesterday. Yesterday was 12th Friday. Today is 13th. Yeah. So I finally bought a cooker. So I will show you the cooker, the new cooker I bought. And also I just want to do some cleaning in my kitchen, and also organize it so that the cooker can fit in. Yeah, so let me show you before, and also I will show you after everything is organized and well cleaned. Okay guys, yeah, please like my video. If you're new, please subscribe as I've said before, and yeah, comment down below. Okay, let me show you the kitchen before. So guys, this is my kitchen. This is my kitchen. So this is a stand I normally put the fruits, the vitungu, onions, the bananas, everything is some of the things I put there. So guys, this, as I was saying, this table I started life with while I was still staying in a single room, and now I'm in a one bedroom. Yeah, tumshukuru Mungu, amen. So I've been using it. Before I used to use this smaller cylinder, and it has the grill, whatever. Then later I bought this to Meko's thing, some ramtoms. Yeah, so I've been using this one, but it has been giving me stress cause I think imekuwa ikichafua sufuria sana nikipika nayo. Inachafua sufuria sana, inatoka nyeusi, so giving me stress of cleaning the sufurias. Yeah, so I decided to buy a new Meko. I'll show you it just in a minute. So this is how my kitchen is. Everything is like that. That's my curtain. So but now I want to do some cleaning, some few cleaning, then organize everything and rearrange, and it will fit. Yeah, that's my table. I've been having it for long. And here is my microwave and the fridge. Also the fridge, I need to clean it. Yes, it's not full as such. Hapo msichana liaribu, but I will just keep on using it that way. So I need to remove everything and clean it first, then later I'll show you. So I need to clean my fridge. My microwave also is very dirty. I need to do the cleaning. Let me show you. See how it looks? You see? Food particles. So I have to clean it, then I'll show you later. Those small dishes I have to clean everything and reorganize. Then I will show you also the cooker. Let me show you the cooker, by the way. The new cooker I bought. This is the new cooker I bought. Is which mod? Von. Brand Von. It is 50 by 60. Let me remove it so we can see it together. Yeah. So guys, this is the cooker I bought. It's also still have this. It is, can you see that? Yeah, it still have this. This is for delivery. So it was delivered yesterday, and I opened it just to see if it's the correct thing I bought. Actually, I bought it at where? I bought it at Carrefour supermarket. The one is located in Karen. That's the one where I bought it. So it is Von. It's brand new. As you can see, it has tapes everywhere. Will I carry it myself? Whoa. So this is the cooker I bought. Yeah. Everything is sealed. So let me see. The top is made of foam. Yay! So this is it. Ooh. is it. So this is the one I bought. Yeah, brand is Von. So mtasifikiria hii place hii nini imekuwa sponsored, is not sponsored. So this is what I bought. Can I bring you closer? The other things I will remove later after I've carried it through. It is not big as such, it's just 50 by 60. I think this is the 60. So this is how it looks. Oh, it's close. It has griller. You can grill. Unaweza choma nyama hapa, unaweza fanya nini tena? Ukichoma nyama na, as you can see, it's brand new, very new. This one I will remove later. Okay, guys. It's 3 gas, 1 electric. Yeah. So I did not manage to buy the bigger one. I wanted maybe 60 by 60, but mfuko ilikataa. So I decided to go with this size, of which is okay. I think so. I'm okay with this one. For the time being, maybe Mungu akitujalia, we will buy the bigger one later. But I'm okay with this one and I'm happy with it. Yeah, the brand is Von. And by the way, it's stainless. Stainless as well. Yeah, it looks pretty. So that's my cooker, brand new. So I'll show you later when I've cleaned the kitchen and also organized everything, then to organize how I can place it. Okay, guys.